y'all, I'm Caitlin, and today in the AFI DIY lab, let's make some whipped shea body butter. Hit the like button if you're excited to get started, and subscribe if you haven't already. Now we can jump right in. This recipe is mostly shea butter, making it super quick and easy to make. Let's start by melting it down on our double boiler. Once the shea butter has completely liquefied, we can add in our avocado oil for moisture, along with our fractionated coconut oil. Stir those in well, and we can remove the mixture from the heat. When our mixture reaches 120 degrees Fahrenheit or below, we can add in our cornstarch, which will minimize the greasiness of the formula. Now it's also time to add vitamin E oil, which is a great antioxidant. This will keep our butter and oils from getting rancid too soon. Finally, fragrance. I wanted something luxurious, so I chose brown sugar. Give it all another stir, and now we need to let our body butter cool until it solidifies. To do so, I'm gonna pop it in the fridge for a bit. I'll catch you guys in a moment when it's ready. All right, my body butter is completely solid now that it's been refrigerated. Now it's time for the fun part, whipping it up. To do so, I'm using a handheld mechanical whisk. Careful not to make a mess. Whip up the mixture until you've reached your desired consistency. It should lighten and fluff up until it has doubled in size. Now it's time to add it to our packaging containers. Just like that, our whipped body butter is done. This product is great for soothing dry, chapped skin, especially during the winter. It only costs us about $2 to fill up an 8-ounce jar of this product, which means it can be sold wholesale $3 to $5 or retail $7 to $10, depending on the fragrance and additives you use. We hope you enjoyed joining us today for our project. If you did, check out all of the other products that we've made over in our DIY playlist on our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to tune in for the next episode of AFI's DIY. See you in the next one. Bye.